Hi, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something. I have new hair and it's only a wig, so I can take it off if you don't want it. If you want the old Victoria. So comment below. I'll check your comments later. I hope they're all something. So let's start. I have dinosaur things.
So today you would like to talk about dinosaurs?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you going to do?
We have some cards here, Play-Doh,
Yeah.
a ruler, and a dinosaur book, and some plastic dinosaurs.
Where did you get these plastic dinosaurs from?
I want to tell you a joke. My brother just wants dinosaurs, but he doesn't play with them. So I took them for the video.
Okay.
First, let's do the cards.
Yeah, do you believe in dinosaurs?
Yeah, they were real.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why do you...
My favorite one is Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Because of that plate on.
Okay. Okay. So what else you have about dinosaurs? What do you have in your hand?
Cards.
Yeah, and what does it say?
Diplodocus.
Oh, so there's different types of dinosaurs, yeah?
Eoraptor.
Okay, very strange names.
Gallipimos.
Doesn't sound...
Parasauropus. What? Ankylosaurus.
Kilosaurus.
Melanosaurus. Spinosaurus.
So many.
Stegosaurus.
So many different dinosaurs.
Yes, but funny names. Vulcanodonaut. Gasosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Allosaurus. Microatrodr.
The last one?
Edmontonia.
So difficult to read these dinosaur names, yeah?
Yes, maybe because they're such different types of them.
Yeah. So what activity we'll do today? Yeah?
We'll get a dinosaur,
Yeah?
get some Play-Doh.
Is that going to be dinosaur footprints?
Yes!
Yes. Okay, what we will need for that? Can you
Play-Doh.
tell? So we need Play-Doh. What else?
Plastic dinosaurs. and
Roller.
Play-Doh and roller.
Yeah. Okay. And you have also dinosaur shapes.
Yes! I didn't even know that.
Okay. Okay, which we will take first? Which color?
Ooh. I think we should take... Why are there two reds? I might take the red.
Okay. So, okay, you take it out. And what do you need to do next?
Can I have some scissors, please?
Yeah, why not? You can have scissors. Here you go.
I know I look a bit weird with the pick, so...
Okay. So it's a bit hard to open it, looks like, yeah?
Oh, I have an idea.
Yeah? What idea are you having? Is it working? Okay. Yes, it's out finally. So, okay. What do you do next?
We, of course, will not make footprints out of plastic.
Yeah. So you roll it, yeah?
And it's also hard to roll.
Okay, I think it's ready. Yeah. So we're taking which dinosaur we will choose first? The big one?
Triceratops.
Okay.
I'll do one for footprints.
Yeah.
This will be the Triceratops.
Okay. So that's for Triceratops, yeah?
Ah!
Okay.
One done.
One done. So which one's the next one? Which color?
Orange. Because I can't open it, I need the scissors.
Yeah. That's the footprints of, what was that dinosaur name?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. Okay. Okay, now the orange one.
Easy to open, actually.
Because you know now how.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, you learn things.
Yeah. So here you go, orange one, yeah?
Yes.
So which one we choose now? Which dinosaur? Yeah?
Hey, what is this one? It's quite squishy though.
So who is that? Okay, try his footprints then.
Maybe something dinosaur.
Yeah, let's try his footprints. Okay? It's a bit difficult because he's soft.
And squishy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Wow.
what is that? Maybe because of the table.
Yeah. Okay. He's done. Let's put them on the side. Which one the next one?
So now we need a roller and some Play-Doh.
Okay.
White one.
White one, yeah.
Oh, this time I opened it.
Very easily.
Like,
Yeah. Okay, roll it again. And press it hard with the dinosaur feet, yeah?
yes.
Okay.
That. Here. Doesn't work though.
Because I think you need to take bigger dinosaur.
Anyway, it looks like a circle.
Yeah. Okay, let's do next one with the bigger dinosaur. How you like this idea? Yeah?
Yes. Do we have enough? Like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay,
5.
let's do another one. Which color you will take?
Great.
Okay, let's do big one with green, yeah? Okay?
I quite know how to open it.
Oh, very good.
You might try and you can do it.
Okay, so
Because you learned
let's
from me.
try the big one, okay?
Yeah.
And I think need to roll a bit less. Yeah, I think
Why?
it's fine because it goes. Okay, let's try big one, biggest one. Which one is the biggest? Biggest one. Let's try biggest.
That's long.
Yeah.
Long.
Look
So
how
this
big feet he has. Yeah.
That's my favorite dinosaur.
Press it in. Press it
Wow.
in. Yeah, but it's harder to press.
Wait.
Yeah, press harder. Yeah. That is real dinosaur footprint. Real.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is very good.
Because it's my favorite.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how it looks all together. Some are a little bit smaller, some are bigger, but we can see some footprints of dinosaurs. So that means they existed really, yeah?
They actually look like these are like the volcano colors.
Yeah.
And the grass and I don't know. The sky. Bye bye, see you later. Subscribe, share and like.